Alright, welcome back to Ken's Fishing and Cooking Channel. This is Ken. Today we're on Lake Sinclair, and happy 4th of July to everybody. It's the 1st of July right now, which is the 4th of July weekend on a lake, which is quite busy. So I'm going to have to weather out these rough waters to begin with. But I got here about 7 o'clock, so people should be starting to leave, and maybe we'll catch on to a fish or two. I've had a couple of bad weeks in the past since I've been fishing the last time. My wife got pneumonia, so she was in the hospital for a week, and I've had to take care of her. Haven't had a chance to really come out here and catch anything good. So hopefully the tide has changed. The tides will change for us here, and we will catch a few big ones. Alright, so today what we have for bait, haven't tried it since I've started the channel, we have some chicken. Now, I went ahead and marinated that chicken in garlic last night, so hopefully the fish will like that and we can catch them. Alright, I've also got some night crawlers. Yeah, he's got it. He's hitting it. There he goes. Let's see if he takes it. It's like he let it go. He was swimming off with it. I think he still might have it. Yeah, he does. It's a small one. Here he comes. Oh, we have got some bait. Look at that. That's a nice shell cracker. That was from a night crawler. So let's put on another night crawler. Oh, there's one. Got a good one this time. Oh no! He let it go. That was on chicken. We're super shallow, right on the edge of the ledge. Oh, my damn anchor fell off. That makes more sense. Heavy that way, so let's go over to the other side. Oh, zero sugar. That's not what I want, but I guess it's what I'll have to drink because that's what I got. I think I got one. I think it's a little one, but I think I got one. Yeah, buddy. That's the first time catching a clam. I don't know how he got a hold of that, but we're going to save that. Put it in the live well with the other fish that we caught that we didn't expect. So that's 2 unexpected catches. The cops got somebody. I think it was those people that were harassing me. They don't know what the hell they're doing. Oh, that looks like a bite. I can't tell for sure though. Let's go check it. I think I got something on. Yeah, I got something. It's not huge, but it is a fish, so I'm happy about that. Well, I think it's a fish anyway. Oh yeah, it's a little tiny catfish, I think. Bam! First catfish of the day off of the double hook set. The wind is blowing way too hard. All right, we're back at my house now. Fishing didn't go too well last night. I only caught that little catfish. I caught the shell cracker, and I caught a clam. So we'll be trying that out for the first time as a clam. But since I didn't catch very much last night, while the batteries were charging for my cameras, I went fishing and caught a bunch of panfish, some brim, sunfish, stuff like that. And that's what we will be having for supper. So stay tuned. All right, we're going to start with some cornmeal and some blackened Zatarain seasoning to get these fish going. This is self-rising cornmeal, stone ground. It's a little finer than I would like, but it'll work. I'm gonna stack that Zatarain's seasoning. Subscriber Rodney sent that to me. We appreciate that, buddy. And on top of that, we're going to put some cracked peppercorn. There we go. That's coming out better. Go ahead and mix that all together. Alright, we got our oil going so it can get nice and hot for the fish. Alright, I just put some water on for some grits. As soon as it starts boiling, we'll put those in there, and we'll check and see if this oil for the fish is hot enough. It feels pretty hot. So this is a piece of that little catfish that I caught. Wet it up. Pop it in there. These are all the fillets. I want to go ahead and bread them up really good, and then I have some whole fish over there as well. Well, not whole fish. I took the head off, cleaned them, took the scales off. Just start sticking this fish in here. See how this blackened Zatarain season goes with the fried fish. Never had it on fried fish before, but on baked fish it's really good, and I really like it on my steak as well. Alright, those are going. The water over there is boiling. Let's put some grits on. Turn over the fish. Smelling good. I think we're going to have to make some more seasoned batter here. Didn't quite have enough for all the fish. Alright, so today we're going to make our grits cheesy. Got some mild cheddar. Let that soak in there and melt. Go good with these fish. Alright, fish and cheese grits. That's what we're having for supper. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on the clam. So let's try that out. I'm going to go ahead and fry it up. After it's done, it should pop right open. There it goes. And that should about do it. Yeah, I know y'all are all wondering, how is the clam? So we're going to find out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some Zatarain's blackened seasoning on it. Pops out just like that. It's very chewy, kind of like chicken gizzard. The grits. Out of this world. And the fish. Panfish. Good stuff. You see that whole half right there. And when you fry the tails up real crispy, it's like chips. Tastes good. Thanks for watching Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Happy 4th of July.